Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we are going to run Alpha 1 iBot. It's a free binary option robot that you also can use completely for free. Just use the link you find up here right now, or just use the link you find below the video. This is a binary option robot that you don't need to download nothing. It's all working up in the cloud, so it's amazing. Also below the video you'll find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count, okay? Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also below the video you'll find a link to my WhatsApp community. There I give all my forex signals and binary option signals to a set time every single day. So if you have any interest about that, check it out. But now let's start up Alpha 1 iBot. there we have it, another beautiful trade with the Binbot Pro Alpha 1 iBot. $178 profit. You can use this robot also, just use the link you see up here right now, this roboting, or you can just use the link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.